In this video, we're going to talk about parrots. Though many species are quite similar, parrots are an immensely diverse group of birds. They come in many different shapes, sizes, and colors. All of them have curved bills and zygodactyl toes with two facing forward and two facing backward. Interesting facts about the parrots. There are simply hundreds of different and unique parrot species across the globe. Let's learn about some specific species of these remarkable birds. Spix macaw. This is the most endangered parrot in the world. Researchers believe that this bluebird is extinct in the wild and only a few populations live in the zoos. African grey parrot. This species has one of the most largest vocabularies of any parrot. Scarlet macaw. This is the one of the most well-known species of these birds. They are bright red with yellow shoulders and blue wings. They live throughout the Central and South Africa. Hyacinth macaw. This bright blue bird is the largest species of macaw and the longest parrot in the world. Habitats of the parrot. These birds live in a wide variety of habitats. Most of them inhabit tropical or subtropical regions. Habitats reference varies from species to species. Some different types of habitats that these birds live include woodlands, rainforest, greenlands, desert edges, and more. Though some species live in urban areas. Distribution of the parrot. The greatest number of species lives in Australia and its surrounding islands, as well as South Africa. Different species have different ranges, and some populations overlap with these other species. While each species has a different diet, most are herbivorous. They eat a variety of fruits, seeds, nuts, nectar, pollen, while some species eat insects and other invertebrates. Behavior of the parrot. These birds live in flocks. They are usually arboreal, though some species do walk on the ground while foraging. These birds mostly remain in the canopy level of the forest. Reproduction of the parrot. Though some parrots build nests, most species use hollows or cavities to reproduce. The number of eggs laid in a clutch varies from species to species. Parrots and human interaction. There are several different conflicts between humans and wild parrots, all of which are quite detrimental to the birds. Mainly, we can talk about habitat destruction. Domestication. Parrots are wild animals and humans have not domesticated them in any way. Does the parrot make a good pet? Even though these birds are relatively common pets, they rarely make a good ones. These birds are incredibly intelligent and long-lived. Also, these pets are generational pets. It means passing down from owner to owner. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, smash that like button and let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time.